So basically our team is T3 coders, and our project is Smart Career Advisor. That was the problem statement in AIML. So here our website's name is Elevance, and it goes through all the features that were listed in the problem statement. So let me demonstrate these features to you. So first of all, we need to sign in. So we'll sign in using Google. Okay, so yeah, we are signed in. Now let us go to the dashboard. And apart from that, here is our UI. So basically this demonstrates the features that learn by doing that we are enhancing in our project. Okay, so let me go through the dashboard. Yeah, so here's the dashboard. So basically this is the dashboard for the user, and we also have two roles, that is first is the user and second is recruiter. So the recruiter may also see the user's skills and all. Yeah, so this is the overall dashboard. So first of all, every user needs a skill, right? So there are basically two ways to add the skill. First we need to the first way is to update add the resume, and the second is by manually adding the skills. But if we are manually adding the skills, then the system checks that the skill is relevant or not based on the questionnaires that are generated using Gemini. That will be demonstrated to you further in this video. Okay, so the resume is uploaded. So it will automatically fetch the skills, and these skills are fetched using NLP through NLTK library and cosine similarities. Okay, so the skills are added over here according to the resume, and these skills are not just merely the word fetching from the resume. It uses cosine similarity and the smart techniques of NLP. Then comes the skill assessment. So basically here we provide the questionnaires. That is a type of quiz that contains 10 questions. For example, if the user wants to take any skill in JavaScript, then yeah, here is the questionnaires. So basically there are 10 questionnaires, and after going through each and every question, the level of question also increases. If the user has passed the beginner level, then the questionnaire will go to intermediate and further to advanced. So yeah, and this is achieved using reinforcement in the LLM, and this is done through Gemini and Mistral. So let me just show you one or two questions. Yeah, so here it suggests each and everything. Yes, and at the end of this quiz, we provide the level of that skill to the user. That for example, here it is selected JavaScript, so the user is, for example, beginner or intermediate in JavaScript based on the answers that he gave in the quiz, right? Okay, so the next thing and very important thing is that job analytics. So basically here we provide the analysis of current market, and this is the enhanced LinkedIn dataset and other AI job dataset. So here basically we are providing the analysis, and this analysis is provided through Plotly library of Python. So yeah, it is the analysis dashboard of job, and here it suggests really some cool analytics of salary distribution and some great things, that whether the AI adaptation will affect the job or not. So yeah, this is it. And apart from that, we are also giving the recommendations of the job according to the skills, and this is also achieved using NLP, and here we use the Spacey library of NLP. So according to the skill of the user that I demonstrated you in the user dashboard, it provides the recommendations. So this is it. And for job and skill enhancement, we have also used a chatbot, implemented a RAG chatbot, that is retrieval augmented chatbot, and this uses the Hugging Face sentence transformer and Llama API using Grok. So this is a RAG system. So for example, if I ask any question according to the skills or any technical skills or help for that skill, or I ask for the job analytics, then only it will give the answer. For example, if I'm telling that when is Diwali, yeah, so here it takes that this question is not related to our topic, but when I say that what is the status of AI job market. So this is the data that was given to yeah. So here it is. It provides the analysis of AI job market and also the skills that are needed for that. So here I implemented RAG system and provided the text chunks for that, right? So this is it for the retrieval augmented system. Right. Then comes the networking, because as it was listed that networking is too much important in this field. So here we provide the users that uses our project, our website, that is Elevance, and it tracks down each and every user that uses it through this geographical map, and it also provides the some of the best fits to the connection to make the connection with the users, and we have also provided the filters, right? So according to that filter, just a second, let me show the filters. So if I check that I need the Python developer near me, then yeah, here it is. It will give the filter according to it. Yeah. Then comes the certificate part. It is really nice part of our project, because in it uh, basically when a user or student needs to enhance their skills, then so for example a user desires any skill, for example machine learning, then it is necessary that he's required to know Python programming, right? So in our project we have a recommendation system that uses a hybrid recommendation system using a sentence transformer. So basically here I need to give the desired skills that I want. For example, I want machine learning and data analytics. So according to it, it will take a while and recommend the courses. So this is the hybrid recommendation system that we are implementing in here. And these courses are generated, not generated, it uses the course dataset that is of Coursera, and we also implement several datasets of Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare that provides the description and skills of the courses. Yeah, so here the courses are generated, and here I recommend the top courses, and these also checks the rating of that course that is included in the data set, right? So the best courses are given the better priorities. So this is a great feature. Now if a user completes this course and gets a certificate, then here we can upload the certificate and check that, and we check that certificate using image processing. And in image processing we use an OCR, that is paddle OCR, and CV2 and PIL for image analytics, right? So that is it. And earlier we fetched the resume, right? So we also provide the ATS score for that resume. Just a second. Okay. Yeah. Now we are also giving the analysis of the skills that the user has. For example, if I here the user has several skills in machine learning and Python development. So here we provide that which skills are more enhanced in that user, right? So the user has better pick in AI engineering, and he has done several projects in that and machine learning projects. So here it gives the weight of that for here we are using weighted skills through the resume, and it is also gained through NLP. So here in terms of skills, we are also providing the clusters. For example, each and every skill is divided in the clusters like cloud computing, machine learning, web development, etc. And it is done through clustering library, that is k-means clustering. Now once the certificate is uploaded, we check it through image processing, as I said, and then that skill is added in the database and in that user. And once the certificate is completed, we can see that the badge is provided for that user. We are providing the badges. Just a sec. Yeah, so here it is given that achievement badge, and one badge is given machine learning. So this badge is basically NFT, and here we are using blockchain. So this badge is not just an common badge, but it is an NFT, right? And according to these badges, our system is also providing the leaderboard of the users of our system. Yeah, so here it is. So basically I told about the clusters, right? So these are some of the clusters like cloud computing, machine learning. Each and every skill is uploaded in these clusters using k-means clustering, right? Algorithm, unsupervised algorithm. So here it is given the leaderboard of our overall system. Yeah, so thank you very much for listening. This was our overall system. Yeah, thank you very much.